So, hello guys, welcome back. I had accepted the Strivers HD Sheet Challenge for these 45 days. So, for the day one, I have forgot to upload my post, but today I am recording this Loom video. So, here are the three problems are there. I have solved over the late code. We can see one by one, discuss in short, and let's see make this post for today. So set matrix to 0. Here what the question is, the row or column in which the 0 is available, we have to make the entire row and column to be 0 like this. So there are three ways to solve it. We can do some brute force. We can take some extra space by creating some extra rows and columns marking over there, and we can also do some in place. So I had tried all of the three scenarios, and the final scenario is something about the making the changes in place only, and we can do this. Next question is about the Pascal's triangle. The Pascal triangle is something like this. Every day step, one number of space will be increased. So 1 plus 1, like 1 plus 1 become 2, and 1 plus 2 become 3, and this 1 plus 1, this become 3. So this way we have to create the number of steps will be given, and we have to construct this triangle. So written a logic for this, taken help from the article, but yeah, mostly I had written by myself. Next question is about the next permutation. So next permutation is something like this. For example, the array is going. We have to find the next combination, which is the just next greatest than this given one. For example, here is the 1, 2, 3. So next permutation or combination. Sorry, next permutation will be something like this: 1, 3, 2. So next big one. This is what we have to find. For example, if I want to make 1, if I will do here 3 and 2, then it will be here. For example, if I will make here 2, 1, 3, so it will be much more greater than this. So we have to find this. It's simple trick. We have to from traverse from back, find the first dipping point and make it swipe, and what the things are remaining, just reverse them. So this is pretty simple question. Yep, I really like it. I already solved using the Stivers video, so I haven't faced any difficulty while solving it. So this is my day one. I had solved my three questions. Looking forward the 44 more days which are remaining. Posting this on the Twitter hashtag SolveHD challenge. Thank you guys. Bye bye. You can check out my lead code. It's ID name Simple Cyber. Bye bye.